Hello, so in this video I will show you how you can set up SMTP server so you can start sending emails from your WordPress website. So if you have a WordPress website and you are not getting emails, like when someone submits a contact form and you do not get any email, and also the user on the other end does not get any email, so we will see how we can fix this type of issue in WordPress. So for this we will have to set up SMTP server. So let's first of all go back to the site, and here let's go to the contact form, and here you can see I have opened the Gmail in the another tab. So let's fill this form, and here I can write my email and write a test message, and then we can click on send message. So here you can see it says the form is submitted successfully, but it is not sending any email to this email. You can see it is still the same 13 messages, so there is no new messages that is received. And we can go and also check the spam folder. So here you can see we have not received any message, so we will have to fix this issue. So let's go to the web hosting. So here I am in the web hosting, so I will have to go to the cPanel, and here I will have to go to email accounts. So we will have to create an email account, and we will click on create, and here we will have to write the username. So for example I can write info. It will create an email like info@, and then we will have the domain name over here, and here we can write the password. And now we can click on edit setting, and here we can change the space that we want to give to this email. So we can say to 56 MB, and we can create. So you can see I get a notification like it already exists because I have already created this email. So if you do not have created it, you can create it in the same way that I have shown in the video. So once you have created the email, then you can go to your website and you can go to the dashboard, and here we will have to install a new plugin. So we will search WP mail SMTP. So this is the best plugin for this issue. You can install it, you can activate. Setup will start automatically, and you can click on let's get started. You can skip this step, and here you will have to select other SMTP, save and continue. And here in SMTP host you will have to write your domain name. So let me paste it. So in most cases it is your domain name. If it does not work, then you will have to contact your hosting provider, and you will have to ask them to provide you the SMTP host name. I was using some local hostings and that were using their own name as the host name. So in this case we have our own domain name. Your hosting provider may be using their own name, their own domain. Okay, so you will have to confirm that as well. So here we use TLS and 587 port number, and here you will have to write the email that you have created from cPanel. So as we are going to use this email, so we will copy it and we will go back and we will paste it. And so this will be your from email. When you will send a message from your website to someone, then they will receive the email from this email. And here you will have to write its password that you have written while creating your email. And here you can write the website name. This will be overwritten in all the plugins that you are using for emails. So whenever you will send an email, it will be sent from this name. If you don't want to use this, then you can just turn it off. And this will be the from email. So here we will have to write this same email. So the from email will be this one. So we will click on save and continue, and here you can scroll down, click on save, and you can skip this step, So here in this step, if TLS does not work for you, you can use SSL as well. So it depends on your hosting provider. So one of these will work. For SSL we use 465 port, and for TLS we use 587. Skip this step, and here you can see it says congrats, you have successfully set up WP Mail SMTP. You can click on finish setup, and now we can scroll and we will go to tools, and here we can test if it's working or not. So we will write our email address and we will click on send email. So it says the test email might have sent, but its deliverability should be improved. So deliverability is the thing that sometimes your email goes to spam, and for that Google has announced its new update, and for that thing you will have to set up DMARC records in your domain. So I will create another video on it, and so this should just be working. As we can go to inbox, and here you can see we have received the email, but sometime it may go to spam. So to prevent that, we will have to improve deliverability. We will have to go to our domain registrar and we will have to add a DNS record. So we will see how we can do that in the next video. And now if we go to the website and go to contact page, and here we can fill this form, send message. You can go to email, and here you can see we have received the submission on our email. So that's it for this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos, and please do comment so my video will be shown to more viewers. See you next time.